So, you've probably seen dozens of videos and ads about making money online, right? They make it sound easy, like anyone can do it with little effort. But can you really make money online? And more importantly, is it worth your time? Today I'm giving you my honest opinion based on real experiences, no fluff, no hype. So, let's get into it. Here's the thing, not everything you see about making money online is real. I'm sure you've seen those ads with flashy cars, huge houses promising you'll make six figures in 6 months. But is that the reality for most people? Let's just say it's a lot more complicated than that. Now, here's the truth. Yes, you can make money online, but it's not a get rich quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and a lot of learning. In fact, there are hundreds of legitimate ways to make money online, whether through freelancing, selling products, affiliate marketing, or even YouTube like this dot. The problem is most people think they can start today and earn thousands by next week. I'm here to tell you that's not how it works. Freelancing, Upwork, Fiverr. This is a solid way to make money, especially if you have a marketable skill like graphic design, writing, or programming. The downside? It can take a while to build a reputation and secure consistent work. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following, affiliate marketing can be lucrative. But remember, it's all about having an engaged audience. It's not passive, you need to provide real value. E-commerce, selling on Etsy, Amazon dropshipping. With platforms like Etsy and Amazon, you can sell products or even start a dropshipping business. However, it requires upfront investment in either inventory or marketing. It's definitely not easy money. YouTube content creation. Creating content can lead to ad revenue, brand deals, and even selling your own products. But again, it's about building trust with your audience, and that doesn't happen overnight. Passive income, the dream, right? While some people make it sound like you can set something up and forget about it, that's only half the story. Yes, passive income streams like affiliate marketing or selling digital products can eventually generate revenue with less effort but upfront. There's a lot of work involved. For example, building an affiliate blog requires hours of content creation and SEO work. A successful dropshipping store demands careful product research and paid advertising. Passive income is real, but it's not a free ride. Before we continue, let me address the elephant in the room: scams. Unfortunately, the online world is full of get rich quick schemes and people lose money chasing false promises. If someone is offering a course that guarantees $10,000 in a week with no effort run the other way, be wary of anything that sounds too good to be true, because it usually is. Stick with legitimate platforms, do your research, and never pay for secrets that promise overnight success. So, can you really make money online? Absolutely. But here's my honest opinion: it takes time, effort, and consistency. If you're willing to put in the work, learn, and be patient, it can be one of the most rewarding ways to build a career or side income. But if you're looking for a shortcut or a quick win, you're going to be disappointed. Real success online comes to those who treat it like a real business, because that's exactly what it is. If you're serious about making money online and want real, honest advice, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll be diving deeper into each of these methods in upcoming videos, giving you tips, strategies, and real life examples. Drop a comment below if you've tried making money online, and let me know what your experience has been. Thanks for watching.